So guys, let's open Study Buddy. Study Buddy is your ultimate study companion. It can test your knowledge with engaging quizzes, get help from intelligent chat assistant or AI, read boards, compete with friends, and track your progress. So this is about us. So Study Buddy is designed to make learning fun and interactive. So ginawa to para sa mga students. Dinisenyo para maka-communicate o maka-gathered sila ng or mag-share ng knowledge sa isa't isa. So kapag may problema kayo, please contact us. So this is our email and website, also our phone. So let's get started. So dito sa sign in, kapag meron ka ng account, ilalagay mo lang dito. So basically, unahin muna natin is mag-create ng account. Mag-create muna tayo ng account. Pangalanan natin Study Buddy. Study Buddy. Wait. College. Student. Kahit anong name yan, parang ano kasi yan, parang nickname lang sa loob ng app, makikita nyo din. So college gmail.com. So kapag mag-put ka ng password, is dapat may isang uppercase or more and lowercase, tapos isang tapos isang number. So ito ngayon, kuha natin dyan, college. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung spelling ko. Okay, college 1. Create account. So dito sa home, sa ask question, pwede ka lagay dyan ng mga mo. Kunwari gusto mo ng title mo HTML. So lagay mo yung details kung anong gusto mo. Kung magtatanong ka ng question